Welcome back to my channel. Today we're starting a brand new series. It's probably going to be about 4, maybe 5 videos, but it's going to be a beginner's series where I walk you through my eyeshadow look, my face routine, whatever it is. They're going to be super short, super simple, and not as sped up as the other tutorials. So in this one I'm going to be sharing with you this beautiful, super simple and easy halo eyes. We're going to be using this beautiful new HardCandy palette that I got in rose gold. So we're going to start off by always priming our eyelids, and we're going to be picking up that HardCandy palette, and the number is 1339, but it's the rose gold palette. If you guys don't own this is new to me as well. And we're going to be taking this pink mauve shade here, and we're going to be taking a small, flat, stiff eyeshadow brush, and we're going to start patting and dragging that color into our inner corner and outer corner area. We're going to build this up a ton. This takes a minute, takes time to place your color, and then we're going to build it up across the crease area as well, not taking it up too high because we want this to be a more toned down halo look, but still it's very wearable. So I just continue to pat the shades on. These are beautiful shades. They're very pigmented. You guys need this. The metallics in this palette are superb. They're very nice. They are glittery, metallic. They are kind of chunky, but they're amazing. And it's $10. Yeah, I just discovered this palette at Walmart. I had to bring it home with me. Here I'm going to load up that lower lash line with color and really blow it out. Now here we're taking an extra oversized fluffy crease brush. The fluffier the better, because this is going to help us really blend out those outer edges of our look. Like, this brush takes no time. It's from AOA Studio. It works amazing at blending. Most of these brushes are AOA in this video, but the fluffier the better, you guys. Also, I want to mention the placement of your fingers while you're blending and how you're holding the brush. So you need to be holding the brush further down the handle, almost to the end of it. So you have very loose control, but you're not like applying too much pressure, so you're not wiping away a ton of your eyeshadow, but you're blending out and softening those edges. Hopefully that makes sense. Now earlier when I was patting the shades on and placing them, I was holding the handle more closer to the tip of the brush to have total control, if that makes sense. Now here we're just applying our concealer. I'm going to be taking this icy pink shade, and that is going to be the main color for this look, and it's so beautiful. All these metallic shades are absolutely gorgeous. Oh, I'm going to be doing a combination of patting the shade and kind of swiping it down, because some of these metallics have are kind of chunky. So to really get that pigment in and blend it out and pat it on the lid, you have to do that. See where my hands are there, closer, more in the middle of the brush. I'm kind of blending out the colors together. We're going to be picking up this beautiful, like, shimmery champagne shade in the palette, and I'm going to pop that in the inner corner. I'm also going to pop it in the middle of the icy pink color, just to add a bit more dimension and bring more light to that area. It's very subtle, but it makes it really pretty, and we're wiping away any fallout we might have had. Surprisingly, this palette does not have a lot of fallout, so I'm so pleased with that. Now we're going to continue to blend more, and that brush just works great. Now we're taking the highlight shade, which is like a vanilla skin tone shade in the palette, and it is matte. There's 6 mattes in this palette, and they all are really nice as well. Good quality eyeshadows for $10. I was really surprised. And we're just going to continue to blend and marry those colors together. We're using Physicians Formula eyeliner pen to create a very thin line of eyeliner. Those were just lining against our lashes, and that's it for the liner. I wanted everything else to be kind of toned down as well, so we're using the Milani eyeliner to tightline the upper waterline. And we're going to be using the Rimmel Nude Eyes eyeliner in the lower waterline, and it makes our eyes appear more big and open, more awake looking. And here we're using the Colossal Big Shot Mascara from Maybelline. And so far I'm really liking this mascara. If you don't like spider lashes or chaoticness in your lashes, if you prefer a more defining mascara, this mascara is not technically for you. It gives a lot of volume, and it's, like the name says, kind of chaotic. Using Maybelline's lipstick in 550 and Honey Pink. Absolutely any excuse I have, I will use this lipstick. It's gorgeous. I'm loving this lipstick and Nude Lust from Maybelline. Love it. Now here I'm showing you this LaColors highlighting trio in Enlightened. You have to see this. Now I'm using the first shade there, which is like an iridescent red kind of duochrome shade. And over this beautiful mauve blush I'm wearing, it just gives the prettiest sheen. These highlighters are no joke. This stuff is great for $1. LaColors have stepped up their game. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, you need to go to the Dollar Tree and hunt these down. They're great. But that's all for this tutorial. I hope you guys found it more helpful than the other tutorials. And we'll stay tuned for the rest of this beginner series.